The combination of sound and music is key for building anticipation and giving your audience clues. Just from that opening scene, the music and the sound effects already tell us that this film is going to be an exciting adrenaline rush. Another brilliant example is the movie Jaws. Every time we hear that score, the audience is put on edge, feeling tension and fear in anticipation of the next shark attack. And in the next example, the music has the opposite effect. A sudden stop to the music can also be used to heighten the suspense the audience feels. But in this particular example, with the cheerful singing along with the fading from dark to light, it signifies an end to the danger. The use of sound effects can also tell the audience what's happening off the screen. Think of a creaking floor. When the audience hears that, they know that someone is either in the next room or walking on the floor above. And as those creaks get louder and louder, the audience knows that this person is getting closer and closer. When making visual decisions, as filmmakers, we're concentrated on what's on the screen. But when making creative decisions for music and sound, we need to expand our thinking to what's off the screen. As a filmmaker, put yourself in that world. What kind of things would you hear? What kind of things would you feel?